So welcome back to our channel, guys. This is another video of HTML where we will discuss about text formatting, and we will make the text big and small using big and small tags. So let's get started. I've opened my file in my code editor, html.html. This is the name of my web page, and here I'm going to explain you how to use these tags. First of all, you are not supposed to use big and small tags in HTML5 because HTML5 doesn't support big and small tags, but still the effect will be shown even if I'm using HTML5 over here. So suppose this is my plain text. Okay, I've already mentioned br tag over here because I want to separate the line. Now you want to use big tag. So in general, my code editor gives me the option whenever I enter some text. So I'm supposed to use big, but you can see there is no option shown as big. So whenever I type big over here, it will not give me any option because HTML5 doesn't support big and small tags, and you are not supposed to use big and small tags because that part will be covered in CSS. So you can simply make the text big and small using CSS styles. So after HTML we will discuss about CSS, and we will make videos about CSS, how you can format or how you can style the HTML document. So for now, let us discuss about big tags. So I have to uh, manually enter the whole tag. So this is our opening tag, and this will be our closing tag. So now you can see it color has already been changed according to the code editor. The color of the tag has already been given to this big tag. Now if I enter same text here, for now I'm not entering any text over here. This is your plain text, and now if I enter hello in between, you will see the whole difference between plain text and big element. So the content of big element is huge in size, and you can already see the difference very clearly. So this big tag used to okay, so this big tag was used to display the text big. It is predefined size is different, and weight is same. There's no difference between weight. This is not the bold text just because the size becomes double of this, so it is looking like darker, but it is not bold. It is plain text but bigger in size. So now let us discuss about small, adding another br here. So let us discuss about small. The same thing goes with small. Okay, this is opening tag and this is our closing tag, and if you put content in here, you will see the difference. It is even smaller than the size of plain text. If you exclude this part from here, you will see the difference. So this is our plain text and this is our small element. You can see the content of small element is smaller than the plain text. So this was the whole purpose of using big and small tag. Just to make the text big, you can use a big tag, and just to make the text small, you can use small text. But these are the predefined sizes. You can style these text even more bigger or more smaller using CSS, and we will discuss about CSS after completing our HTML topic. So that's it, guys. This was our topic for today. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you will practice these tags after watching this video. uh, I'll bring another video on text formatting, and till then, bye bye, take care, keep learning, keep searching, and keep practicing.